you have even a little bit of camber and you miss the flip, you end up just wasting a bunch of money. What's going on, y'all? Darius Bills back with another mediocre Mazda 6. I'm trying to video. Alright, so today, as you saw from the preview, we are going to be switching out my re-drill BMW Style 95 wheels for the factory wheels, and along with the stock wheels I will be running 20 millimeter spacers to help out with the stock fitment. I ran these for about 2 years or so. Had zero problem with them, zero problems with them breaking, zero problems with the bolts getting stuck, frozen, rusted, none of that, no problem. So these are hub-centric. These are, of course, 5x114, and these are 67.1. So these are hub-centric rings. So the wheels have a less of a chance of having a vibration. So I'm going to go ahead and get the 95's off so we can get the stockies with the spacers back on. So I will be back shortly. There we have it. We are back on stocks, tucking just a tad bit of wheel. I do have to go and see Streamline Performance in Concord, North Carolina, to zero out my camber. I have about -3 in the rear at ride height and like -2 in the front at ride height. So I'm gonna have him zero those out and literally put them at 0 or -1 back into factory specs. And when that happens, that will tighten up this fitment a lot. And got the front back on here. and that's pretty much it. But the reason why because I took the 95's off is because I was running like -4 camber, and even though that's not a lot, if you do miss the flip, you do end up killing the inside of the tire. And as you can see, I have like 3/4 of the tire tread left, and now this tire is trash. So, you know, if you have even a little bit of camber and you miss the flip, you end up just wasting a bunch of money. And the tire that I caught was that one. The front tires are still good, still plenty of tire tread on it. So I'm gonna put these up. I'm gonna clean them up, paint them solid gray just like these, and then I'm gonna put them up for sale. The rears need tires, the fronts are good to go. I mean, you could run the rears like this if you wanted to, or you can have them flipped. But this one, I think, no, the other one is showing wires. But you know, who am I to tell somebody what to do when they buy something from me? So yeah, I'm gonna get these painted. Like I said, this is gonna be just solid gray. So gray without the splatter paint, because people, you know, evidently don't like the splatter paint. No center caps. Good front tires. Use the rear tires at your own risk. And yeah, probably put them up $800. You have to remember that I had these re-drilled to 5x114.3. So these will go on your Honda Accords, your Genesis, your Sonata, whatever else runs 5x114, your Kias. You're gonna need a lot of camber for the Kias, but anything that is 5x114, you can have you a set of BMW Style 95's. They were done by this company in Virginia, and they literally filled the holes, re-drilled them, put in metal inserts, and these have gave me no problem whatsoever. The only problem that I had with these wheels is that I ran over a big bolt in the road, and I had to have one of the barrels welded up. But I've had zero issues with that leaking. Is right there, you can barely see it. They had to weld it shut, and I've had zero issues. I've had no leaks out of that at all. But otherwise, these wheels are solid and they are for sale. So yeah, that's it. So today's actually Father's Day. I wanted to get this done so that I can drive my car to work, because I'm tired of spending $25 a day driving Bertha to work. And yeah, that's it. So like everything you do, always remember, think, build, enjoy. And if you ride around with tire stickers on your tires, hate to tell you, not a flex. Pull that shit off. Peace.